After opening the window, after simmering your potpourri, you can burn that candle and just bask in the fruit. I don't know. I'm just talking.
You was doing good. I was in.
You gonna kill yourself. You got the windows open, you got potpourri burning, and you got a candle. You don't need all that. You're gonna be high as hell. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Organizing Spices. For those of you who are new, my name is Ashley, and in today's video we'll be talking about 5 ways to make your home smell amazing on any budget. So let's jump into the video. So first we're going to start with free, because who doesn't like free? So for anybody who knows me, they know that I am very frugal. I don't want to say cheap. We're not cheap, we're frugal. So tip number 1 is opening those windows. Let that air in. Free is for me. If I pay, I must delay. Over time, your home can become filled with indoor air pollutants from everyday life, like using your fireplace. It is winter. I know a lot of us are using our fireplaces right now, from burning your gas oven and also from your water heater. Opening the windows allows the fresh air to come in and remove the stuffy air that's been inside. Especially since coronavirus, everybody is really cautious about not going here and not doing that, and the house tends to get a little bit stuffy when you don't open your windows. So open those doors and windows and allow that fresh air to come inside. So tip number 2 is create a stovetop potpourri. So one of my favorite stovetop potpourris is rosemary, lemon, vanilla extract, and a little bit of cinnamon, or cinnamon sticks if you have them. This is an inexpensive and natural way to make your home smell amazing. So for this stovetop potpourri recipe, you'll slice some lemon, use some rosemary, fresh rosemary. Oh my gosh! Why can't I just talk?
That you could.
So for this stovetop potpourri recipe, you'll slice lemons, use sprigs of rosemary, vanilla extract, and if you'd like, you can add cinnamon stick. Put this into a saucepan and you'll cover with water and simmer throughout the day. It is very welcoming and inviting, and it's natural and inexpensive. Tip number 3 is to burn candles. So my favorite of all of these is the combination of opening my windows and burning candles. To me, there's nothing more rewarding than to finish cleaning and to light that candle to signify that I am done either in that room or space of my home, or done all together. And nothing wraps up a night like lighting a candle before bed. Tip number 4 is to use scented trash bags and wash your trash can more regularly. If your home is like mine, then you incorporate your children into your cleaning schedule. And my son takes out the trash for our family. So his responsibility is to empty out all of the trash cans in the home, and including the one in the kitchen. And sometimes the trash can does get overfilled before he realizes that it's time to take out. So sometimes there is a lingering odor depending on what we've thrown away during that day or that time that we've had that trash bag. So we use scented trash bags, and my son is responsible for washing the trash can out on the weekends or at the end of the week to keep the home smelling fresh. So tip number 5. Tip number 5 is placing dryer sheets on your AC filters. So as your air conditioning is pulling that air through the filter, if you place dryer sheets on there, it also pulls the smells from the dryer sheets through your ventilation system, dispersing that scent through your home. So that wraps up today's video of 5 ways to make your home smell amazing. If you have any tips that you would like to share with us all, please drop them down in the comment section below. I would love to hear which combinations of the 5 that you use on a regular basis, if any. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!